Good morning friends. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Dapoli, Surat, Standard 9, Chapter number 1, Number System. In previous lectures, you learned about exercise 1.3 up to question number 6. Let's we start with question number 7. Write the three numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating or non-recurring. In this example, first of all, we want to know that which number are non-terminating. You can write any example like a 7.314 up to infinity. This is the non-terminating number because the decimal points are not fixed and the numbers after the decimal points are unlimited. Okay, let's we take another example. 0.1010020003 these are the non-terminating number because the numbers after decimal expansion are higher. Then let's we take another example, pi. In the pi 3.1416 up to infinity, this is the decimal expansion of the value of pi. So in this way, these three examples are non-terminating. You can write in any another example also. Okay, these are the just examples. In question number 8, find three different irrational numbers between the rational number 5/7 and 9/11. First of all, write it in the decimal form. So divide 5 with the help of 7 and you can get answer with the help of division is 0.71485 and the decimal form of the 9/11 is 0.81 bar. Okay, so these two are our numbers. Between these numbers we want to find the another examples. So I take another example as 0.71. so next exam number is 0.72, 0.74 and 0.78. these all are the another numbers. So 5 in between 5.7 and in between 9/11 there are many numbers you can take. Okay, so I take just example like this. You can take any number which is between the 0.71 and 0.81. You can see that 0.72 is greater than 71 and less than 0.81. So I take 0.723456 here. Okay, and next I take 0.74. it is also between 0.71 and 0.81 and up to infinity. Question number 9. Classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. Let's we take root 23 or first example. In root 23 you can see that we can't find the root square of the 23. So square root of 23 is not defined, so it is irrational number. In the root 225 you can get answer 15. So 15 is the rational number. Okay, because we can find easily 225 square root, so it is 15. Then 0.3796 is the rational number because the 0.3796 having numerator and denominator which is finite. Okay, in next example 7.478476 is the irrational number because it have unlimited or infinite decimal numbers after the decimal point. Okay, so it is irrational number. And last one is 1.1010010001 is irrational number. It is irrational number, so you can say that because of unlimited numbers after the decimal you can find this. So this is the irrational number. So here our exercise 1.3 is completed. Let's we begin with exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Visual 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification method. So what is first of all successive magnification method? Let's we learn from the example. This is one example of the successive magnification. After completion this example, you can get how to magnify any number on the number line. Okay, so step number 1. First of all, assume that 3.765 is the number which is lie in between 3 and 4, because 3.7 is greater than 3 and less than 4. So we understand that 3.765 is lie between the 3 and 4. This is the our first step. So indicate 3 and 4, arrow indication on the 3 and 4, because 3.765 is in between 3 and 4. In step number 2, let's we focus on the 3.7. Focus on just on the first decimal point, which is 7. Okay, so I want to indicate 3.7 on the number line. So I expand it here 3 and 4. After 3 and 4, I expand these two. This is the line segment. Okay, so first I take 3 and at last 4. Okay, draw the decimal up to 3.8, because I want to indicate 3.7 on the number line. So I write 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 up to 3.8, because 3.7 is lie in between the 3.76 is in line between the 3.7 and 3.8. In next step, I found 3.7 in the second step. After that, I want to expand this line segment 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, so I can found the second decimal point, which is 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 74 up to 3.76 and 3.77, because our next decimal point number is 6. Okay, so 3.76 I can find here, because the second decimal point of the 3.76 is 6. So I draw 3.76 on this number line. Okay, after that, in next step, I expand this line segment 3.76 and 3.77. Okay, so first I write 3.76 and add the another new number after the decimal point. Okay, so 76, 761, 762, 763 up to 765, because I want to indicate 3.765 in this number line. Okay, so here I can find step number 4, 3.765, which is our answer. In this way you can indicate any number. So in the question number 2, 4.26 bar for 4 decimal places. Here you can see that 226 bar is the 4.26 bar 4 decimal places. Here bar is repeated place, which is repeat 26 2 times. So I want to find 4 decimal place, means 4.2626 on the number line. So first of all, I want to decide that the 4.26 is lie in between 4 and 5, because 4.26 is greater than 4 and less than 5. So I indicate 4 and 5 on the number line. In next step, let's we put one more step after the decimal point. What is one more step? 4.2. So 4.2 is in lie between 4.2 and 4.3 on the number line. So I indicate 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5, and I get that this number is lie between 4.2 and 4.3. In next step, I want to expand expand this line segment 4.2 and 4.3. So 4.2 and 4.3. After that, I can found 4.2, 4.2.1, 4.2.6 up to 4.2.7. Okay. So in this way, 4.2.7 and 4.2.6 are our line segment which we want to find, where 4.2.26 is line between 4.26 and 4.27. Let's we take another decimal number 4.262 and 4.263. Here you can see that we can write 4.26 bar as a like this 4.2626 up to infinite, but I want to answer for only 4 decimal places, so I take only 2626 on this line number line. Okay. So our third point is 4.262 and another one is 4.2626 on this number line. Okay. Okay, in this way you can find any number on the number line and by using the successive magnification method. Okay, thank you so much.